What if you could build a fulfillment center closer to your customers and cut your delivery time? Think about a large-scale fulfillment center that houses millions of SKUs. Beyond inventory storage, miles of conveyors and hundreds of associates pick, singulate, consolidate, singulate, and consolidate again to prep orders for shipping. All the conveyors and touches have been necessary because there haven't been robots that can reliably pick and sort so many different product shapes and sizes. What if you could automate your sort and ship process using much less space and fewer conveyance lines? The RFSS Robotic Sortation System can. It sorts virtually any product you inventory with a patented gravity-driven drop-bottom robotic tray. The system automatically consolidates orders into its integral putwall. It's modular, able to sort 500 to 1,500 products per hour on just 300 to 850 square feet of floor space. A single RFSS module for evaluation can be installed into existing conveyor and putwall environments, and you'll see your labor steps, touches, and costs drop immediately. Add more modules, and costs drop even more. For new facilities, you can eliminate miles of conveyance and hundreds of thousands of square feet and get the job done with far fewer associates. That's where the costs really plummet. Or what if you could use a compact, automated sorting and shipping process to add e-commerce capability to an existing retail facility? The RFSS Robotic Sortation System can get it done, close to customers to speed local delivery. What if those space savings actually allowed you to locate a fulfillment center closer to your customers? How much closer could you get to the ultimate goal of 3-hour order delivery? So come on, you have to see the RFSS Robotic Sortation System in action. Visit us at the Automate show in Chicago and bring some stuff to sort. You'll see how much closer you can get to your customers.